girl Phoebe. Welcome to our channel. We're Krazy Thursday and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. So guys, today we're gonna be making 떡꼬치 and 소떡소떡. So if you guys have seen our videos, 떡 means rice cakes. And these kind of rice cakes are used for making tteokbokki. But today we're going to be making another snack that uses this 떡, which is called 떡꼬치 and 소떡소떡. Yesterday night, I was watching this video of BTS V, like gorging into like 떡꼬치.
자, 1번 문제
갑니다.
So it's like these rice cakes stacked in this stick. So he was like gorging out. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to make that, I need to eat that. So that's what we're gonna make today. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Okay, now that the water is boiling, let me get our rice cakes in there. Here it goes. I'm gonna boil it for about 2 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, 2 minutes has passed. It's all done. So let me take out the fire and Monica is gonna help me pour out. Okay. So let's do 떡꼬치 first. So I'm gonna go and make our sauce now. Okay. Okay, it's super simple. We're just gonna cook the garlics today and add it with the other sauce. Oh guys, I'm so nervous because I have to remember this name of the sauce, name of the syrup. I hope I don't get it wrong later. So thinly slice them unless you want like bits of chunks of garlic when you eat the rice cakes. Okay, I'm done. Okay, garlic's ready. 1 spoon. And this is about 2 spoons of Gochujang. This is quite spicy, so please moderate when you do it. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. 1, 2, 3. And our last but not least, oligosaccharide. So this is oligosaccharide, guys. I have no idea why it's called oligosaccharide, but Koreans use this as a syrup replacement because you know Koreans are really like super into like being healthy and not consuming too much sugar. So apparently this has more fiber and less sugar in it. So this is usually used for like cooking for people with like diabetes and all. 1, 2, 3 of oligosaccharide. I need a prompter for this. Give it a good mix. And this is it, guys. This is so simple, right? It's gonna be a little bit runny like this. So if you want to use honey instead of oligosaccharide, you should add a little bit of water because if it's too sticky, it's not gonna spread well into the rice cakes. Okay, first we need to assemble the rice cakes in a group of 5. Now we're gonna poke our stick into the rice cakes. So 떡꼬치 basically means rice cakes on sticks. So, you know, as you can see, this is quite sticky, right? Before we spread the sauce onto this, we're gonna cook this on the frying pan so that it's nice and crispy on the outside. Okay, our pan is heated, so let me drizzle some oil. Be quite generous. You don't want the rice cakes to burn. And I'm quite good at burning stuff, so. careful. Ooh. Okay, they're nice and crispy, so let's go and put our sauce on them. I have painted all of our 떡꼬chis in this amazing sauce, and we're gonna let this sit for the sauce to sink into the rice cakes for a little, and let's go and make our 소떡소떡. Okay, now that the water is boiling, we're gonna put these small Vienna sausages. We're gonna put in all of them because even if we... Whoa! Whoa, whoa. You won't die, right? I think it's fine.
A few moments later.
Okay, you can smell the sausage cooked. Okay, why am I doing this? I don't need this. Okay, I didn't need this net, but whatever. So we're gonna transfer this into the plate and cook our 소떡소떡. Okay, now we're gonna pierce these. So we're gonna have 3 rice cakes and 2 sausages. It looks like they're kissing each other. I've seen people pierce the rice cakes into the sausage. Do you think I can do that? Monica is giving me the look. Okay, I can't do it, guys. Never mind.
Try.
I'm scared that I'm gonna break the sausage. Okay, never mind. Don't play with your fruit, guys. We're not gonna use this. We made 5, so we're gonna put this away. And I'm gonna eat them later. Just gonna cut them. This. And then there is the grand question of who's gonna eat the leftovers. Phoebe. No, not Phoebe. Let's do rock, paper, scissors. The person who loses has to eat all this. Do this at the... Oh, actually, that's a bad idea. I was gonna actually put this together and then do it, but then I don't think that's a good idea. I'm full of bad ideas and good ones. Okay, we're done. Now let's go straight to the pan. So the pan is already quite hot. I'm just gonna drizzle more oil. Ooh, do you see them dancing? Okay, thumbs up. Let's take this out. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce for Sau Tteok Sau Tteok. First, we're gonna put half a tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of gochujang. And I have 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And then, this time we have soy sauce. We just need 1 tablespoon. And our oligosaccharide makes a comeback. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons. Now let's just mix. Give it a good stir. The stickiness is about the same, like this. And now, simple, we're just gonna spread them on our sotak sotak. Okay guys, I forgot that I had this lovely brush, so I'm just gonna use them to brush them out. This smells so good because you know this smells like barbecued sausage with this like killer ketchup gochujang sauce. It's gonna be so good. If you stack the other side that has not been coated with the sauce, you can just stack it on top of the one that has sauce on it, then you don't have to coat the other side. One lazy tip from me. Oh, this looks good. Let's take them to our plate and do the taste test. Okay, let's do the taste test now. I'm gonna go with the 떡꼬치 first. So when you eat 떡꼬치, some people eat it one by one, and some people just like to get their mouth on all 4 or 5 of them at once. Guess which way I like. I like to go in all 5. So I'm gonna eat it like that. Let me see. Garlic really comes through. And because we made the rice cake crispy, it's actually really good. And it's not that spicy, guys, so don't worry. It's just very ketchup-y and sweet, and a little bit of gochujang paste. And now let's go to the Sau Tteok Sau Tteok. Of course, guys, you have to eat these 2 at once. There's no excuse. So let me go. Guys, make sure to cook the sausage really well like we did this time. So the flavor of the sausage, the rice cake, and the sauce is really good. It's like a good barbecue stick. So I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And I will see you next time. Hope you have a great rest of the day. And this was Phoebe from Krazy Thursday. Bye-bye.